We've got two subtraction equations here. They have different denominators, and we're going to solve these equations by renaming the fractions, and we're going to do that by multiplying the denominators. So let's start with the first one. We've got 9 and 8 as our denominators, so let's multiply those together. What we get is 72. So that is our new denominator. The next step is to figure out what the numerator should be. So we do that by multiplying on the diagonal 8 by 8, and that is 64, and we drop that down. We do the other diagonal, and we go 9 times 5, it's 45, drop it down, and we are subtracting. So what we have here is 64 minus 45, right? So borrow 1, that's 19. So we've got 19 over 72. Can that be simplified any further? No, it cannot, and that is the final answer. Let's have a look at the one next to it, slightly different, because it says 6 minus 3/7. So this is a whole number subtracting a fractional number. So the best way to approach this is to treat the 6 as if it were a fraction, and any whole number as a fraction can be written as the number itself over 1. In other words, 6 divided by 1. What is 6 divided by 1? 6. Okay, so let's go through that same process we went through with the first one, and we multiply the denominators. So now the new denominator is 7. It's not particularly new because that one had 7 as well. Then we multiply, starting here on the bottom right, and we multiply up to the top left, so 7 times 6 is 42. And then we go the other way, start bottom left and go up to top right. So 1 times 3, that's 3. And we are subtracting. So 42 minus 3 is 39, and it's over 7. Now you can see this is an improper fraction, so let's convert this to a mixed number. How many times does 7 go into 39? Well, it goes 5 times. How many left over? 4. And it's 4 over 7 because that is the denominator that we are working with. So the final answer is 5 and 4/7.